The Viking medium-range AD system is another export version of the Russian modern generation Buk M3. It embodies the most advanced solutions in the radio and rocket engineering. The number of combat-ready missiles was increased up to 6 on the self-propelled firing systems and up to 12 on launchers. It can engage TBMs, strategic and tactical aircraft, helicopters and cruise missiles, precision-guided weapons, and other targets at the distances of up to 65 kilometers and at an altitude of up to 25 kilometers. The system can operate independently or jointly with other assets of the system.